Okay. No, just kidding.
Vlogging again.
Fooled you.
The only thing that's cold right now is the Hawaiian punch.
Okay.
We're having some Hawaiian punch now, I guess.
You want to put the
After this, we're gonna start filming our video. Are you excited, Amber?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, maybe it was next to something.
I'm like, how did that get cold?
Maybe it's lemonade. Lemonade was
Bye.
Oh, that could.
Hey guys, we just woke up and we're at the playground. Sophie left though, so yeah. Sad. Yeah. We filmed the cover video, but we didn't get a lot of good footage, so I don't know if it'll be uploaded today or if we'll wait till another time because we did really bad.
It's hot outside.
Yeah, it is hot outside. Like, these things are burning.
These are called waffles.
They are?
Yeah.
Awesome. So yeah, are you tired?
Not really.
I'm not really tired because I was like the first one to fall asleep. And they filmed a video of them poking me in the face.
That's awesome.
I didn't even know they were filming a video. Sad.
Well, maybe your face.
Yeah, it was my face.
It was.
So yeah. Oh, and shout out to, what's her name? Like 98 Kitty something.
Yeah, thanks for subscribing.
Yeah, thank
Who's
you so much.
probably
And she
named
commented on the videos and everything. You're really nice. So
Yeah. Yeah, very nice.
yeah.
Oh
So
my gosh,
yeah.
This is a bad position. What's up?
We'll probably just put all of our vlogs together for like one long vlog video. Tell us if you like this.
You better, because we're lonely. I mean, we're not lonely. We
Yeah,
have
we're
a
not
lot of
lonely.
friends.
So yeah, we'll film more later. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Amber.
Yeah, they should put that butterfly garden there.
A butterfly garden? Where's the basketball hoops? Ugh. This playground is so awesome. It like goes on forever. I wish they had this when I was here. Why are only the second graders allowed on this one?
Because we have to be over there. He's in the basketball court, so that's all. That's all. They didn't redo that one. Oh, spider web.
Oh, people are here. We're probably gonna have to put the camera away because it's embarrassing.
Well, you're embarrassing. Here, we'll take it.
Okay, there's people playing basketball, and we're supposed to be playing basketball.
Oh, it's going right with us.
Oh, we lost one. Bye.
Let me try.
Amanda, it's recording. Okay, we're gonna try to do it backwards. Basketball. Okay, try. Oh my god, that was
What?
I got it once. Really close though. I should stand in the same place I did last time. Amber, hold this. Amber, hold this. No. Okay, it's filming. Yes! Did you get that? Yes, I got it.
That's awesome.
Oh wait, no, I didn't hit the button in time. Sorry. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This could be on your weekend blog. I'm gonna try again. This could be on your blog. Okay. Wait, let me show them how far you are apart. Okay. Wait.
Not that far, but okay, ready?
No, I can't see that. Okay. That one was close.
Okay, let's try one
Here.
more time.
guy. Close.
Oh, I got it 2 times. That's enough.
Here. Hopefully you got it that one time. Let's see if Amber will ever get it. You will. Do this.
Yeah.
Do it backwards.
This is gonna go far off. Yay!
It's Hermie. Say hi. I don't know where our other crab is. Wow. Cute.
Suntan lotion here.
Go into the pool because we're
Amber,
awesome.
what do you
Yeah.
I'll give it to you. Hold on.
Hi.
I want to be Asian.
You are Asian.
True. I always say that because I'm awesome. Like,
Yeah, that's her phrase. It's not to be racist or anything.
it's to say that Asian people are very good people.
So are Americans. Every race is beautiful. We're going into the pool, so yeah.
Except for blue aliens. They scare me.
Yeah, true that. Avatar.
Avatar. They scare me.
Yeah.
If you're at Avatar, try not to
Near
be.
the sidewalk.
Try hard.
Like, go to a tanning place or spray tan.
Yeah.
Don't be-
Do something.
Don't be too blue. That's just scary.
Okay, yeah, we'll film another vlog at the pool, I guess.
Look
'cause
at my feet. They're colorful.
we have to put some suntan lotion on. I don't want to vlog that. That's weird.
Well, too late. We already did.
Vlog. Okay, bye.
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 Don't
The kids are gonna go.
They said loud. Hi.
Not yet, guys, not yet. You guys didn't go at the exact same time, but it was still good.